right here, Eden. Hold right there, okay?
He got really
Go see
close,
Bear.
and the cat popped him in the face a couple times.
Come here, come here. Go get Bear.
Get him, Bear.
Walk towards Bear.
Elin, come here. Bear's really gentle. Uh-oh, watch that head.
Come here. Come here.
Sit, Bear. Sit.
Okay, come
Hi.
here, Eden.
Hi.
Come here.
Hi.
Come here with Bear. Let's go, come here. Where's Bear?
Bear's like, what is this thing?
Stand up.
I want to play with him,
Come,
but I'm not sure what it is.
Come, stand up here, Eden. Yeah. You think he will bite?
No. Bear doesn't bite anything.
Even the cat probably will attack him.
Look, see, Bear's sitting down because he wants Elin to rub his butt. When Bear sits down like that in front of somebody and turns around, it's because he wants Elin to rub his butt.
Really?
Bear,
Okay, just stand
Elin doesn't know how to rub your butt.
Okay, stand up here.
Bear just sat down in front of Elin so that he could rub his butt.
Okay, go stand up here. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Bear,
Let's
he's
go.
too small to rub your butt. You want him to rub your butt?
Go get it.
Bear's like, I'm way faster than this thing. Elin. Oh. Here he goes. Here he goes. Get him, Bear. What are you doing? Look, look, there's Bear. There's Bear. Bear, look. Let him pet you. Let him pet you. Bear, don't lick him. Arr. Come here. Little boy.
Go get him, get him.
Bear's trying so hard to run away. Come here, boy.